Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up an account and make a free domain using ProFreeHost and WordPress plugin. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to go to ProFreeHost.com. Just open up any internet browser. So it gives you free hosting and a free domain. So you just have to click on the three lines in the top right corner, click on create an account, and just create and log in into your ProFreeHost account that you just created. And then you just have to follow these steps to install WordPress on ProFreeHost. So just click the login link in the client section in the ProFreeHost control panel. From the control panel, select Software QLS App Installer, select WordPress from the drop down menu like this, and then just click on install tab. From there click quick install or custom install based on your preference. From there you can choose the WordPress version, latest is better, and redefine your login credentials as well as the other minor details. Lastly, you will be provided with several predefined themes for your WordPress website, which you can select based on your requirements. After that, click on install, and the Software QLS App Installer will begin installing your WordPress, and that's about it. After creating your ProFreeHost, you just have to follow these steps, and this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.